Reliant Robin. Oh, upset almost immediately. I mean, literally.
Lou.
Thank you so much. Oh no. In the early days, the Robin had a 7cc engine with 7 brake horsepower on tap. 0 to 50 took 7 seconds. 0 to 6, 7.
In 1975, though, Reliant fitted an 8cc engine, but the consequences were catastrophic.
Post!
The big engine increased the top speed too. It would now do 80, and that was catastrophic as well.
No, not again.
To try and understand why the Robin was so, I pulled over to chat to some enthusiasts. One of the best ways to protect your Robin was to lavish it with an exotic paint job. But this didn't always work.
Harry is there for us. Harry is there for us. What's going on?
Well, welcome here to beautiful Braithwell. You can see Braithwell. You can see the sun exploding. There's been a real controversy here because... Oh, my God!